My symptoms started 16 years ago. I had the very same surgery done. I had had 2 C-sections and a hysterectomy, and all 3 of them were bikini cut, and all 3 in the same spot. So they had opened 16 years ago, and I could tell something was happening again, and just so happened I was playing pickleball one day, and it did. Painful. So I ended up in the ER, and the funny thing was that my husband had just had hernia surgery with Dr. Crouch, and it was only 3 or 4 weeks later, and this happened, and we just, I was at the ER in Highland, Illinois. I said, well, I'm not doing emergency surgery unless Dr. Crouch is on call. Just so happened Dr. Crouch was on call that day. So I didn't end up having emergency. I went home and he said, just take it easy for a few weeks and then we'll get you in. So that's when I had the surgery. He sat there and explained everything. He showed me where the opening would be, and it was all going to be laparoscopic. And he just told me everything that was going to happen. I only had one side that was a problem, but the other side I could feel coming, and he said, we'll just take care of both of it while we're in there. And he did. I left there feeling very comfortable and just couldn't wait to get it done. He definitely makes you feel comfortable with what he's going to do and what he knows. Funny enough, I just had, my girlfriend has 2 discs in her back that was removed and replaced from the front. She had a neurosurgeon that did all the veins and things like that, but Dr. Crouch actually did her surgery that way. She met him too, thought he was fabulous, so I would have no problem telling anybody. She called me and asked me, what surgeon did you have? And I told her, and she said, that's who I have, and they loved him. So I would definitely give him as reference to anybody.